In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix remote desktop can't find the computer. So the very first thing that we could do here is go to our first solution, which is to allow the network connection to the computer. So to do this, you have to first press the Windows R. That is the Windows key and R, or you could just type in your Windows search run. That would also suffice. Then next in the dialog box, you just have to type in sysdm.cpl. Click on OK and another window should pop up. Here, what you want to do is go to remote. Once you're remote, you just have to allow remote assistance connection to this computer is enabled. So once you've done that, just click on apply and OK, and that should do it. Check if that solves your issue. If not, we could go to our next solution, which is to flush the DNS. So the first thing that you could do here is go to your Windows search and just type in command prompt and just right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Here, a window will pop up. What you want to do is type in the following commands, which is ipconfig flash DNS. So there's supposed to be a space there, so flush DNS. So once you've done that, just hit on enter, and that should flush your DNS cache. So check if that solves your issue, and hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.